Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash application on your smartphone or tablet. Browse through the available restaurants and their menus to find exactly what you are craving today. Once you have made your selections, simply add your desired food items to your cart, ensuring everything looks correct before proceeding to checkout. Before checking out, it is helpful to quickly confirm your payment preferences. Tap on the account icon, then select payment methods from the menu. Here, you should see Apple Pay already listed as an option if it's set up on your device. If you do not see it, ensure your Apple Pay is active in your device's wallet app. DoorDash will then automatically recognize it upon your next visit, making it ready for use. Once your cart is finalized, tap to proceed to the checkout page. Here, review your order details, delivery address, and any special instructions one last time. Below the order summary, you will find the payment options. Simply tap on the Apple Pay button to select it. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate the payment using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, completing the secure transaction with ease. After successful authentication, DoorDash will immediately confirm your order within the app. You will see an estimated delivery time and can track your Dasher's progress in real time, right up to your doorstep. This seamless process takes only a few moments, ensuring your delicious meal is on its way swiftly and securely. Enjoy the convenience of ordering with DoorDash and Apple Pay, making your food delivery experience smoother than ever.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.